Time to eat.
Coming. Oh, I'm starving.
Good, good.
Oh, yuck. What's that?
Ah, now don't complain.
But what is it? And where's Mom?
Now, Mom put me in charge of dinner because she's not feeling well tonight.
But what is it? And that smell.
It's pizza. I just followed an old family recipe here and...
Let me see that. Oh, Dad.
What?
You're missing the page.
Well, I couldn't find the second page of the recipe, but don't worry. I have plenty of experience around the house, plenty of experience cooking.
That's not what Mom said.
Well, wait. Here, let me try a piece first. Here, let me cool this off. Okay. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, this is great stuff.
Yeah, right. Why are you making that face?
Well, it's just a little rich for me, that's all.
Let me try it, Dad. Dad, you put a little too much salt in it. And besides, it's burned.
Well,
and what's that?
well, that's just part of my own adaptation of the recipe. I added some pumpkin.
Oh, not another one of your surprises. Pumpkin doesn't go on pizza.
Well, okay, so what? What do we do now?
Well, how about some cold cereal? You can't mess up on that, Dad.
Hi, is this going to be for here or to go?
To go. And, yeah, I'd like 80 cheeseburgers.
Oh, is that 18, like 1-8, or 80?
No, 80.
Okay, 80 cheeseburgers. It sounds like you're feeding a whole football team.
Well, actually, the food's for a girls' soccer team and the coaches and some wild fans.
Okay, yeah, what else can I get for you today?
Yeah, I'd like 50 large fries. No, 60. Make that 60.
Okay, 60, like 60, right?
Right.
Okay.
And then 13 baked potatoes.
Okay.
Let's see here. 40 chocolate shakes.
40, right?
Right.
Okay.
15 large Cokes and, a glass of water with no ice.
No ice?
Right. It's for our team cat.
Oh, yeah, the ice would be confusing.
Yeah, okay. And, yeah, I think that's all.
Oh, okay. So it looks like your total is $290.13.
Woo!
And it's probably going to take about 30 to 40 minutes because that is a bit of food.
Oh, that's fine. All right, thanks.
All right.
Hi, welcome to Heavenly Pies. May I take your order?
Yes, I'd like the chicken fried steak.
Okay, would you like fries, bread, or rice with your meal?
I'll take the rice.
Would you care for anything to drink?
Yeah, I'll take a medium orange juice.
I'm sorry, we only have large or small.
Well, in that case, I'll have a small one.
Okay, a small juice. And what kind of dressing would you like with your salad? It comes with the fried steak.
What dressings do you have?
We have French, Italian, blue cheese, and ranch.
Oh, ranch, please.
Would you like anything else?
Well, I'd like to see your pie menu. That's the main reason why I like to dine here.
Oh, I'm sorry, but we aren't serving pies today.
Huh? I thought this was Heavenly Pie's restaurant.
Well, it usually is, but Dave, our baker, slipped on a banana in the kitchen 2 days ago and hurt his leg.
Wow.
He'll be out for at least 2 weeks. In the meantime, we're serving ice cream sundaes instead. Sorry.
Well, I'm sorry to hear that. Well, in that case, I'll have an ice cream sundae.
Okay, I'll be back with your order in a few minutes.
Hi, welcome to Joe's Hamburger Restaurant,
Hi.
home of the 1 pound super deluxe hot and spicy cheeseburger. Will this be for here or to go?
To go.
Okay, what would you like today? Would you like to try the 1 pound super hot and spicy cheeseburger?
I don't think so. I'd probably have heartburn for a week after downing that monster.
Well, it's our house special this week, and it comes with fries and a large specialty drink called Everything But the Kitchen Sink.
A what? Everything but the kitchen sink? What in the world is that?
Well, it's a little mix of everything in a large cup. Pepsi, Sprite, Fanta Orange, and lemonade with crushed ice and a scoop of ice cream.
Now that sounds disgusting.
Hey, it'll grow on you.
Nah, I think I'll just order a hamburger with some mustard and lettuce and a glass of water.
Boring. Hey, would you care for anything else, like a side order of amazing cheesy onion rings?
No, thank you. Onion rings usually don't agree with me.
Okay. Your total comes to $10.90.
$10.90? For just a hamburger? You gotta be kidding.
Well, the 1 pound Super Deluxe hamburger is $9.
Hey, I didn't order a 1 pound burger. I just wanted a simple burger, that's all.
Well, sir, Joe's Hamburger Restaurant only serves 1 pound burgers.
Man.
The 1 pound Super Hot and Spicy,
Ugh.
the 1 pound Barbecue Burger, and the
Ugh.
1 pound Bacon Cheeseburger. The 1 pound...
No, those are all huge.
Well, sir, if you really want something smaller, you should order from the kids' menu. The half-pound Super Hot and Spicy Burger, the half-pound Barbecue Burger,
No.
the half-pound Bacon Cheeseburger,
This is
the
sick.
half-pound...
No, those are still giant burgers.
Well, in these parts, we are hearty eaters.
Okay, but you said my total was $10.90, but the burger only comes to $10. What about the other 90 cents?
Well, sir, we only serve natural spring water from yonder hills.
Okay. I'll take the giant burger and a bottle of your spring water. The sandwich should feed me for a week.